In this video, I'll show you how to customize a Shopify theme without code. First, open your web browser and sign into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left menu, click Online Store, then select Themes. Next, find your current theme and click Customize. This will open the Shopify theme editor, where you can make changes visually without editing any code. Now, use the left sidebar to customize different sections of your store. You can edit the header, announcement bar, homepage, featured collections, product pages, images, text, buttons, and footer by simply selecting each section and updating its settings. After that, open the Themes Settings panel to change your store's colors, typography, buttons, spacing, icons, and other global design options. These changes will automatically apply across your website where supported by the theme. Next, add, remove, or rearrange sections by using the Add Section button and dragging sections into the order you want. Continue previewing your changes until your store matches the look you're aiming for. Finally, when you're happy with the design, click Save to publish your changes. Visit your online store to make sure everything looks great on both desktop and mobile devices. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to customize a Shopify theme without code. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.